Namhlanje uMatlala bekulindeleke ukuthi aqhubeke nesicelo sakhe sokuthi obunye ubufakazi engabethuli ukugwema ukuzigaxelisa. Kodwa-ke ithimba labameli bakhe lifike lingaphelele engekho ummeli kaMatlala omkhulu u-Advocate Annelien van der Heever obike ukuthi uyagula. Ithimba labameli ebelikhona libe selicela ukuthi okungcono kuhlehliswe ukulalelwa kwezethulo zikaMatlala ngoba likholwa ukuthi angeke kube nobulungiswa uma uMatlala ezokhuluma engekho ummeli wakhe kulesi sigcawu.
He feels that it's unfair that the commission is putting him in a position where he has to proceed where his lead counsel, one, is not here, obviously not of her own doing, but because of an illness that became rather sudden in the manner that it's attacked her.
Ijaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga lisichithile isicelo sabameli lathi uMatlala kuzomele aqhubeke nobufakazi.
My decision is to go ahead to hear Mr. Matlala's application.
Ithimba labameli bakaMatlala libe selisabisa ngokuthi lizoduba isigcawu uma uJustice uMadlanga engagunyazi isicelo salo.
If you choose to proceed without excusing us and thereby Mr. Matlala, I would then ask for a stand down because then there are implications on him that would affect us, i.e. for one, walking out and who gets to walk out, and if, for instance, counsel is removed off the brief, what are his options? And should he decide that he wants to walk out with us because he feels that he's being unfairly treated and is not being given an opportunity to be heard till tomorrow morning, with our undertaking being that whether Ms. van der Heever is here or not, we would have to ensure that I, being then the lead counsel, is prepared to continue and present before the commission.
Kuwo wonke lo mdonsiswano uMatlala ugcine esethi udunguze bumnyameni ngayo yonke into eyenzekayo.
I'm actually in the dark now because while I was having lunch, I didn't have enough time to conclude what we've been discussing.
Ithimba labameli bakaMatlala libike nokuthi alikwazanga ukuxhumana naye esitokisini ngempela sonto, kodwa-ke ikhomishana ithole umlayezo ovela kojele othi lawa bekungamanga alihlaza. uMatlala bamnikile ithuba lokuthi akhulumisane nabameli bakhe. Ikhomishana ibeke isinqumo ukuthi uMatlala kuzomela aqhubeke nesicelo sakhe nakuba engekho ummeli wakhe.